Hey, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. So we just finished up a little bit of a unique project. So this is a new build home. And what you're looking at is the actual cure and seal that the concrete contractor puts on the floor to protect the concrete. So what we did here on this job was a little bit unique insofar as all we did was do a deep cleaning on the floor to ensure that we would get good adhesion. So that was a day and a half process just to get the floors clean, as it is a post-construction site as well. And then we put a water-based urethane matte finish over the cure and seal. And I think this is a pretty cool looking floor, just the way it is. So what's nice about this floor is that it's completely maintenance free. You could spill on it, whatever you want to do. So this is unique in a home, but for a shop or something like that, this would be a really nice floor. And it looks like $1 million. I mean, if you like the industrial look, which I do myself, this is definitely a good alternative at a pretty reasonable cost. Very reasonable, actually. So this is, like I said, brand new construction home. It's about 1,500 square foot. Just the floor looks great. And if you're into easy maintenance, this is the way to go. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.